Hey, I'm Sean with Creative Alaskan Ballads, and up next I'm going to go ahead and give a review of one of the Kreg system tools. Okay, so I am going to do a review on the Kreg K4. So that's your setup. Comes with a whole bunch of manuals and a DVD to tell you how to do it. One other item is the fact that these holes, you could screw this down or you can do a single clamp. Take your clamp it down, and then it's in one spot. This piece here, you take it completely out, and it works independently, just like the smaller two hole, which is the piece I had. This piece right here, spacer block, spaces this to exactly 3/4 of an inch, which is a lot of, set pieces of lumber come in, so it makes it real quick and easy. It comes with screws and wood plugs that I have not used. The screws are specifically designed for the Kreg system. You can use other screws. I've done that. It still works, but it doesn't work as well as their screws. A little closer view. Made out of super hard plastic. The cool part is it's made in America. I've used this in many projects, so it comes in pretty slick when you're doing multiple drill holes. So a question for you guys. Do you guys have a system similar or exactly like this, and what do you think about it? Because I seem to like it.